Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very popular hymn, When We All Get to Heaven. This song everyone enjoys singing together, and it's a good upbeat song about heaven. The song was written in 1898 by Eliza Hewitt, and then the music was written by Emily Wilson. So in my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord sheet that I'll be using to play this song, and you can download that, copy it, and follow along with us as we learn the song together. So let's get started. Sing the wondrous love of Jesus, sing His mercy and His grace. In the mansions bright and blessed, He'll prepare for us a place. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. When we all see Jesus, we'll sing and shout to victory. All right, very easy song to play. It's a little upbeat and fast song, but it's just great to learn. Okay, the chords that we'll be using to play this song, it's in the key of C major, and then G7, and then F major, and then D7, and then C7. Okay, just a quick review on how to play these chords. To play C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, then skip a string, place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 of the 3rd fret. Play all strings with this top E string. That'll be C major. Okay, to play G7, just simply move these 2 fingers up 1 string and then move your 1st finger down 1 string. Okay, and strum all strings. This will be the chord of G7. Okay, again, to play G7, finger number 1 goes on string number 1 of the 1st fret. Finger number 2 goes all the way up to the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to the very top E string, or string number 6 on the 3rd fret also. Strum all strings. This will be G7. Okay, and then F major. Okay, you want to bar your finger across strings 1 and 2 of the 1st fret, and then place finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 4 of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. Okay, and that'll be F major. Okay, you have to kind of lean your hand in. If you don't feel comfortable barring that 1 finger, just place your finger on string number 2 of the 1st fret and then strum the bottom 4 strings. A little bit different sound. It's F major 7, but just try to bar across those. Okay, that's F major. Okay, then D7. Okay, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, and then finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the very 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. This is D7. Okay, and then C7, just make your C chord again, and then place your little finger on string number 3 of the 3rd fret, and that'll make C7. Okay, so you got C major, then place your little finger down on the 3rd string of the 3rd fret, that'll be C7. So the strumming pattern, I'm kind of using 2 downbeats and hesitating, and then strumming down and up beats on the remaining. So it'll sound something like this. Down. Okay, if you just strum up and down patterns, ought to be fine as well on that. Okay, so let's look at the verse on that. C. Okay, sing the wondrous love of G7, His mercy and His, back to C, hold the C, F major, He'll prepare for us a place. So on the word place, you just do C, F, C. When we are, then you'll go into the chorus, okay? So let's look at the verse one more time. Okay, I'll slow it down. Sing the wondrous love of Jesus, sing His mercy and His grace, in the mansion bright and blessed, He'll prepare for us a place. Then we'll go to the chorus, okay, and we'll have a few more transitional chords there. We'll be inserting that D7 and C7 if you look at the okay. Let me just kind of talk you through the chorus first. When we all, C major, get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. Back to C, C7, Jesus will sing and shout the victory. Okay, victory, you got that C, C, F, C. Okay, let's walk through this chorus again because it's a little tricky. Okay, so it starts off when we all, we'll just hold on to the C, get to heaven. What a day of D7, right on the word joyous. Okay, what a day of rejoicing that will be. And then on the word B, hit G7. When we all, back to C, C, that's when you're going to do that C7. Then F on Jesus, Jesus. Okay, so when we all see Jesus, we'll see, and G7, victory, C, F, C. Okay, let's sing through the chorus one time, kind of slow. Okay, when we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. When we all see Jesus, we'll sing and shout the victory. Okay, let's look at the second verse here. It's the same. While we walk the pilgrim pathway, clouds will overspread the sky. But when traveling days are over, not a shadow, not a sign. Then back to the chorus again. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. When we all see Jesus, we'll sing and shout to victory. Of course, it's got several more verses, but the song's not too hard to play. And just start off getting used to changing to these chords. Just start off very, very slow and just kind of sing it to yourself. So if you like this video and like to see more lessons like this, be sure and hit the like button after this video. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. There's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscriptions so I can easily be found, and you'll also be notified when I upload new videos. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So thank you for viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.